So, hello everyone. So, today we are going to go live on GBP USD and SAUSD trade for the week. So, let's wait for orders to join. So, firstly, we are on GBP USD chart. So, you can see right here. 2 minutes, guys. So, hello everyone. So, we are going to analyze for the week. So, first thing first, the market. Let's go straight to the daily time frame to confirm to see what is happening on the market before taking any decision. So, firstly, the market overall structure was telling us that the market already previously is going to the downside. So, remember one thing, guys, don't ever go against the market structure. So, first thing first, the market looks like market give us a lower low and lower high. So, lower low and lower high. So, lower low, lower high. So, by seeing this structure, this will tell you that the market might go to the downside, although the market shifted at this level. So the market get to the major zone right here. So this is to confirm us that the market might reverse from its previously this minor bullish structure to its original structure, which is lower low, lower high. So the market firstly, the reason why the market start going to the upside, so simply because was this this triple bottom right here at the market confirm us that it might about to reverse from its bearish structure to its bullish. So this bullish structure it not give us a clear structure that tell us that the market is about to go to the upside. So so imagine if the market give us a clear uptrend structure. What is a clear uptrend structure? Example like once the market give us a higher high, higher low, so higher high, higher low, so higher high, higher low. So once if market give us a this clear structure at this area, so this told us that the market is about to go to the upside straight without any further. So the market went straight to the major zone, which is our resistance level. Remember, guys, this was a pure price action strategy, nothing more, nothing less. So this week we am expecting the market to go to went straight to the downside, simply because the market tapped a major resistance level. So imagine if market just break this resistance level, so this to confirm us that the market is about to go to the upside. Have you understand? So this was the analysis on daily time frame. So let's look at the H4 time frame to see what is happening on the H4 time frame. So H4 time frame, you can see the market. Don't forget, guys, always follow the structure of the market. So once the market is going to the upside, don't go against the market structure. So this is the very important on trading. So you can see the market was in an uptrend on this area, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the market, once the market gets to this major resistance level, it start to give us a minor chart pattern, which tell us that the market might continue its bearish structure simply by this chart pattern. So some strategy might call it church change of character or market structure shift, whatever it is, all at the same. So the market give us a clear triple top at this level. At this, remember I told you that this was a major resistance level. So the market simply, this tell us that the market respect this major resistance level. So imagine if market break above this resistance level, so this to confirm us that the market is about to continue its bullish structure. So to its bullish structure. So the market just respect it and give us some rejection pattern. So this to tell us that this week I'm expecting the GBP USD analysis on GBP USD fully going to the downside, simply by don't just get one make decision based on your emotion or based on your feeling on trading. So this will affect your trading journey very well. So this will tell us that this week I'm expecting GBP USD to continue its bearish structure simply by seeing this chart pattern at this major resistance level. Remember, once if I say major resistance level, simply I mean that zone that is happening on daily time frame or H4 time frame or H1 time frame. This was a major resistance level. So if you mark your zone on this time frame, on these three time frames, so this means there is a major zones. So market must respect these zones. So if you are enjoying this video, guys, kindly go and subscribe, go and follow my page on TikTok. So let's went straight to the H1 time frame to see what is happening. So remember, guys, you have to start your analysis on this major bigger time frame, which is daily H4 and H1. So don't just start your analysis on smaller time frame. So this was a H1 time frame. So the H1 time frame confirm us that the market is about to go to the downside. So this week I'm fully expecting the GBP USD is about to went straight to the downside. So don't mind this previous uptrend. So remember, guys, this was a major resistance level, like I said. So market already formed us a triple top at this level. So once if you see triple top in the market, so this to confirm us that, and triple top happen on a major zone, not a minor zone. Minor zone is a zone that you mark on 15 minutes, on 5 minutes time frame. This was a smaller minor zone. So if you hear something minor, it means something small. But if you hear something major, it means it's happening on a bigger time frame, which is daily H4 H1. So So the market already formed us a triple top at this major resistance level. This to confirm us that this week market is about to rally to the downside. So I'm fully expecting GBP USD market to went straight to the downside this week. So let's mark our zone at this level. Remember this was a previously previously support, but once the market break through the market, this resistance, this support level already turned to resistance level. So what I mean is that once if market, this was a previously a support level before the market break, this was a previously support, but once if market break through the support level, it's already turned to resistance. So the rule, my strategy was simple, nothing more, nothing less, nothing confusion. So once if you are confusing with your with your analysis, with your strategy, so this might cause you a little bit making harder decision in the market. So you have to make your strategy very simple, guys. So this was the previously support level, but once if market breakthrough, it already turned to resistance level. So the rule says buy in support, sell in resistance, simple, nothing more, nothing less. So if market break this support level, so it already turned to resistance. So we are simply expecting the market to retest this our resistance level. Remember, guys, once if market breaks, we are not going to enter immediately unless if market just pull back or retrace to retest our this resistance level, and we gonna apply a simple our confirmation before we gonna enter our sell. So nothing more, nothing less. Simplicity pays most in trading. So don't ever do your things harder in trading. So this was the breakdown on GBP USD on how you are going to trade it in this week. Have you understand? So let's look at 15-minute time frame to see what is happening. So remember, guys, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 3 minute is only time frame that you are going to see your confirmation. Have you get it? Your confirmation. So don't start your analysis on smaller time frame. I see some of a lot of traders are analyzing and start their analyzing on smaller time frame. Then don't ever start it. So because you might not see the bigger move on the chart. That is one. So see how what I'm telling you. So daily time on London session, which is by 8 a.m. or 7 a.m., I'm expecting GBP to drop massively to the downside on this zone. So remember, guys, our analysis has started on daily time frame. So step by step, we started on daily time frame. Later on, we switch out to the 4 hour, to the 1 hour, to the 15-minute time frame. So all this time frame to see the direction of the market, to tell us that what is happening on the market. Remember, guys, you have to start your analysis on bigger time frame. So the bigger time frame simply telling you the direction of the market. So remember, only focusing on market structure. So you as a trader, you have to follow the market structure, nothing more, nothing less, guys. So let's get straight to XAU USD to analyze XAU USD. So active, guys, this was XAU USD chart. So let's we analyze it and see what might be happening on this week so that we can take advantage. So guys, in trading, you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to post trade. So this is very very important to as a trader to know. So firstly, you have to start your analysis on daily time frame. So daily time frame simply showing you that the market, what is happening on the market. Remember, guys, I tell you that only focusing on market structure. So only follow the market structure. So firstly, daily time frame tell us that what is happening on the market. So goal is about to rally its continue to the upside simply by starting from this level. So you have to start your analysis on daily time frame. So daily time frame tells us that the market is in bullish structure. Simply you you are seeing the market was previously this was a low, this was a higher high, this was a higher low, this was a higher high, this was a higher low, this was a so although the market this high refused to break this high, so this might tell us that the market might come to the downside a little bit. Remember, guys, a little bit, simply because the reason why this high refused to break this high. Have you understand? So the market pull back a little bit and then get straight to the upside. So daily time frame tell us that the market right now is going to the upside on gold. So everyone is trading gold. Gold is much more volatile. If you have a smaller account, so a good advice, don't ever start trading gold because it has more volatile. So the smaller account size you are going to start trading gold must be $50 above. So if you don't have $50 above, so please ignore gold. You So daily time frame confirm us that the market was bullish. Remember, guys, daily time frame is not to enter the trade. It's not to enter a trade. It's to simply know the direction of the market, guys. So the, let's get to the H4 time frame to see what is happening still. So remember, guys, each and every time frame tell us different data on the chart. So don't stay on only one time frame. So H1 time frame told us that the market was an uptrend. If the market was an uptrend, don't look for sell, only look for buy because that is where the market is going. So if market is going to the upside, simply look for buy opportunity on the market, or either by your order block or your PFBG, whatever it is. So look for buy opportunity, don't look for sell. So most people going against the market, so they are once the market is an uptrend, they are looking for sell. This is very very bad. So the market was going to the upside. So once if we say the market was going to the upside, we simply mean the market was going to higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You can see. So the confusion we are getting right here is that the market refused to break this our high to confirm us that the market was previously is an uptrend. So let me mark it out. You see this zone, the market refused to break above. So this might tell us that XAU USD might simply go a little bit to the downside. So this will tell us that once if we say we are going to buy XAUSD right now, we have to see the market break this resistance, this zone firstly, before we confirm us that the market was an bullish structure. So the market refused to break this high. This was the confirmation. This was the doubt we are having on XAUSD. So we are going to patiently wait. So most people don't have patience enough on the chart to wait till market give us what they want. So you have to apply your patience on trading. It's very very important. So we are going to wait on this week till market break this our resistance level. So if once the market breaks this our resistance level on XAUSD, this to confirm us that the buyers are in the market fully. So if the market refuse to break this our 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 major zone, so this tell us that the market might simply start ranging or it might get to the downside. So once if we see the market clear out this minor zone, so we are we we are going to be selling XAUSD once if market break this low. So let me mark it out for you guys. So this this our major support level. So once if market break with real body, not weak, remember guys, with real body. So this to confirm us that the market up is about to go to the downside like GBP USD. So once if market break this major zone, major this resistance zone, so this to confirm us that the market is about to continue its previously bullish move. So once if market refuse to break it, so it's come and break this support level. So with real body, not weak. So we are going to expect this week market to XAUSD to continue its bearish structure. So once if market break this this support level, we are not going to enter immediately. Remember, guys, my student will really understand what I'm saying. So if market break this resistance level, we have to wait till market give us a minimum of two lower low and two lower high before to confirm us that the market is about to continue its bearish structure. So this was the analysis on X on H4 time frame. Let's straight go to the H1 time frame to see what is happening on H1 time frame. So remember guys, every time frame has its own structure. You have to figure it out. You have to understand it. If you didn't understand a chart, most likely you have to leave the chart. No, nothing more, nothing less. So if you post the chart, you intended to lose. So this was the so if you are enjoying this video guys, kindly drop a like button. Network issue there. Network issue. So if you have some questions, you can drop it so that we can. Guys, drop a question if you have it. If you have a question on trading or advice on how you can increase your life. Guys, drop a question if you have a question. So network didn't allow us. So active guys, network issue. That is the reason we are going to stop it. So this was the breakdown on how you can trade this week. So don't post a trade. So be patient. Two to three trade is enough for you to done for the week. So don't ever force your trade. Don't ever force yourself to trade every day on or every time. So guys, if you have question, you can drop it so that we can answer your question. So guys, ask question. Ask question on how we get an opportunity. So the network is back. So let's we continue our analysis, guys. So remember what I told you, that the market was was from our was from. So XAUSD I'm expecting is once if market break this low completely. So I'm expecting XAUSD once if market break this high. So I'm expecting it to continue its bearish structure. So once if market break this our zone, so I'm not expecting to enter immediately till I see at least minimum of two lower low and two lower high. So guys, yes. So guys, let's meet let's meet was this this triple bottom right here at the market confirm us that it might about to reverse from its bearish structure to its bullish. So this bullish structure it not give us a clear structure that tell us that the market is about to go to the upside. So imagine if the market give us a clear uptrend structure. What is a clear uptrend structure? Example like once the market give us a higher high, higher low, so higher high, higher low. So remember this was a previously previously support, but once the market break through the market the this resistance this support level already stand to resistance level. So what I mean is that once if market this was a previously a support level before the market break, this was a previously support, but once if market break through the support level it's already turned to resistance. So the rule my strategy was simple, nothing more, nothing less, nothing confusion.